Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Panibagong araw na naman tayo. Ang kakainin natin ngayon, pancit canton, tsaka fried chicken na binili natin sa may labas ng bahay namin. May kasama suka. Wala silang binigay sa akin na gravy. Ayun sana yung masarap sa kanila eh. Lagyan natin to guys.
Abi-abi.
Lagyan natin i-guess ng suka yung fried chicken natin.
Ngayon siya.
Lagyan natin to guys ng suka. Tikman natin yung suka nila kung masarap. Kasi yung gravy nila nung nakaraan masarap eh. Tayo na tayo guys, pancit canton.
New thoughts on anti-dandruff. Make tea tree oil to strengthen scalp against dandruff. Aloe vera and sunflower seed oil that nourish hair. A combined solution para tanggal dandruff.
Fried chicken naman guys.
Healthy hair pack. New Sunsilk anti-dandruff.
Shout out pala sa sa mga nanonood ng video ko. Pagpatuloy nyo lang yan.
You never know when you'll need data in an instant.
1 minute Wi-Fi suddenly.
Pancit canton guys.
Data that doesn't expire. Smart magic data.
Forever.
No doubt.
Kain na rin.
Sarap guys.
Kapit namin dahil may Surf Dragon with Sunroom Technology. Extra kita here ito. Pag naaarawan ng lamig.
Andito na pala ako guys sa bahay namin. Kakauwi lang namin. Maaga na ubos yung paninda namin. Sobrang daming tao kanina.
Kaya download na at sumali sa Arena Plus. Doon tayo astig.
Sausaw natin gusto sa suka
Don't
nila.
worry about damage because I have power.
In fairness, masarap yung suka nila. Pwede nang pagtsagaan natin.
Keratin and collagen dual So every strand is repaired and
Oh.
intense damage recovery from Creasa.
For every Filipino with grit, heart, and the determination to succeed. I'll carry 3 stars and a sun.
Sarap guys.
Arena Plus.
Parang tayo.
Straightening, color, curling.
Sabihan niyo akong kumain dyan sa bahay niyo.
Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. New
Wala
Down
ka sana namin,
Ceramide
wala kang
Intense
bote.
Repair with Bioprotein Care that penetrates hair strands. Reverses the signs of
Sarap
damage
guys.
for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just pause, reverse, and hit play. New Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Dito, magkakalaro ka sa isang app na sigurado pwede rin panoorin sa ang paborito ng sports.
Kasama ko guys yung pinsan ko dito sa gilid. Sinabay niya ako kumain.
Na at sumali sa Arena Plus.
Pangalan niya daw Princess.
Siyam.
Get ready to make your mark in the sports world and be part of the next batch of UAAP correspondents like your idols. This is your chance. If you are 18 to 23 years old, enrolled in a UAAP school, fluent in both English and Filipino, willing to join training sessions, a fast thinker in pressure-packed situations, can write eloquently, and an avid sports fan.
Kain tayo guys.
Let this chance slip away and audition now. Period of application is from July 1 to August 1, 2024. Who knows?
Bakit alam? Panghang.
Siyam.
UAA
Maanghang daw guys yung pancit canton.
Samahan niyo ang lahat ng atletang Pilipino
Siyam.
sa parating na Olympic Games Paris 2024.
Siyam. Siyam.
Isang daang taong laban para sa bayan.
Sometimes there's something mysterious in the air.
Shoutout pala sa dating bumibili sa amin. Shoutout ko daw siya sa video ko. Yung dating bumibili sa amin.
Something is contagious.
Sobrang bait nun guys.
Others call it Olympic spirit.
Tsaka sa mga bumibili sa tindahan namin, shoutout sa inyo.
2024. Olympics. Sport. And more than sport.
Chihuahua Gayway, ang bandera ng Pilipinas sa Olympic Games Paris 2024.
Kung kayo magsawa, kabibili sa ulam namin.
Carlos Yulo, lalaban para sa bayan.
Di pa pala ako guys nakakapag-vlog sa lugawan namin. 5 pesos lang dun yung lugaw. Alam niyo ba? Sobrang mura. Sobrang mura guys. Alam niyo ba? Yung mga bata, doon na lagi kumakain sa amin. At katabi yun ng computer shop. Pagkatapos sila mag-computer, o kaya umaga, magko-computer sila. Dadaan muna sila sa may lugawan namin, 5 pesos lang. Solve ka na dun. Simutin natin guys yung mga laman sa leeg. Sayang.
Suportahan niyo ang lahat ng atletang Pilipinas sa parating na Olympic Games Paris 2024. 100 taon laban para sa
Kain
bayan.
tayo guys.
Calcium.
Huwag tayo sa...
Pull up your socks, Pilipinas. Join us
Ay.
July 3, 9:30 p.m. July 4, 6 p.m. at the Phil Oil Aqua Center to watch Sigmo's broadcast
Calcium.
versus Latvia.
Why?
Kasi bigyan ko yun yung pinang ko guys. Baka sabihin nyo, di ko binigyan ha.
Exciting games to
Ay,
watch.
ito,
See you there.
Abi,
Chihuahua Gayway, ang
Ay.
bandera ng Pilipinas sa Olympic Games Paris 2024. Ako si Vanessa Sarno.
Bye.
Lalaban para sa bayan.
Get ready to make your mark in the sports world and be
Shut
part of
up.
Sarap guys ng fried chicken nila guys.
like your idols. This is your chance. If you are 18 to 23 years old,
Next guys, isang buwan namang fried chicken yung mumukbangan ko.
English and Filipino, willing to join training sessions, a fast thinker in pressure-packed situations,
Ayun guys, yung pinsan ko guys.
and an avid sports fan. Don't let this chance slip away and audition now.
Sham.
Kabalik yan guys, minsan lang pinotopak yan.
From July 1 to
Uy.
August 1, 2024.
Hindi pala, joke lang.
Goes. You might be the next face in the UAAP. This program is brought to you by Enwell.
Ah.
Also gives other players the opportunity to step
Calcium.
You're not expecting anyone else
No,
to
it's-
go and do what Kai Soto does. You are expecting 2 or 3 guys to get 1 or 2 more rebounds than they normally would. And that's all it takes. You've got a veteran on the bench there in terms of AQR. He knows he's been around Philippine basketball for so long. He knows if he goes in and pulls 4 rebounds, that's going to be crucial. So it's about people stepping into those moments and making a contribution. Perez could be a vital part of that for them. Down the other end, Thomas is starting really well.
Ayun guys, tapos na tayo kumain. Nabusog tayo guys. Pagkatapos ito maghihilamos na ako, tapos mag-cellphone na ako. Bye guys!
Ang pa.
Nice job.